Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Merchant Center product data from misfeeds. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Google Merchant Center product data from misfeeds, start by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu. Select Diagnostics to review any issues with your product data. Identify the specific misfeed that affected your product listings. Take note of the error details provided by Google Merchant Center. Next, download your product feed for further analysis. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Look for the rows with errors indicated by Google. Correct the data entries that are causing the misfeeds. Ensure all required attributes are filled correctly. After correcting the data, save the file in the required format. Re-upload the corrected product feed to Google Merchant Center. Monitor the upload process for any additional errors that may arise. Once the upload is complete, check the Diagnostics section again. Confirm that the previously misfed products are now listed without errors. If issues persist, review any additional feedback from Google Merchant Center. Make further adjustments as needed to ensure compliance with Google's requirements. Finally, give it some time for the changes to propagate and display correctly on your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.